Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, thank you, good morning. My name is Amber Wright and I teach dance, but Mr. Reagan is the drama teacher. And unfortunately, he wasn't able to be here today. So he asked if I would step in his place, and I said, sure. So he wrote some wonderful things about Rachel. Gara. So sorry. Some wonderful things about Rachel Gara. And this is what Mr. Reagan says. He says, Rachel is in my introduction to theater class. And for some students, by the time fourth period comes around, they are so elated that school is almost over. However, not for Rachel. She comes in with a smile, and she's so happy to be there. He says that she is attentive and that she helps others around her, and he can always count on Rachel to participate. He says, but most important, above all of those things, she has a wonderful work ethic. A work ethic like no other, he said. Her work ethic is like an upperclassman who is already trying to impress those college professors. Rachel is an all-around great student, and we all, in the Performing Arts Department, we all hope that you continue in your performing arts pathway. Rachel, good work and congratulations.